So you've chosen Unity for creating games. Great decision. But before you start creating, I'll quickly show you all the things and secrets you need to know to install Unity and Unity Hub. Let's get you set up. First, head over to Unity's website at unity.com, click the download button, and then click download again to get Unity Hub. So what exactly is Unity Hub? It's your all-in-one platform for managing Unity projects, letting you download different versions of Unity, create new projects, and even access learning resources. Once the download is complete, open the Unity Hub setup file. You'll be greeted with about 10 pages of Unity's terms of service. After you have scrolled through or skimmed them, hit agree and choose your install location. I recommend sticking with the default location, so just go ahead and press install. After a short wait, Unity Hub will be installed. Click Finish to open it up. Now before you dive in, you need to create a Unity account. Click Create Account and you'll be redirected to a web page. Fill out the form and make sure to check those boxes. Finally, you'll receive an email asking you to confirm your account. Just click the link and you'll all set. After setting up Unity Hub, you'll need to sign in. Click Sign In and a link will open in your browser. Just press Open Unity Hub to continue. Once signed in, you'll be prompted to install a Unity editor. We'll skip that for now. You'll also see a prompt to get a Unity Personal license. For those who don't know, Unity Personal is for individuals and small organizations making less than $100,000 in the last 12 months. If you make more than that, you need to upgrade to Unity Pro, which costs $185 a month. Interestingly, while preparing this video, I noticed that Unity plans to increase the revenue threshold to $200,000 a year. A bit of good news if you're close to that limit, but for now let's focus on getting Unity Hub set up. In the Installs tab, you'll see where your Unity versions will appear. Since we haven't installed any yet, it's empty. To get us started, click Install Editor. Here you can choose from different Unity versions. Personally, I prefer using LTS or Longtime Support versions. LTS versions are ideal for creators who need maximum stability and support. If you need a different version, you can also access the archive to download all the versions from Unity 5 to Unity 6. For this tutorial, I'll stick with the recommended version and press install. Now you'll see a list of modules you can install with Unity. The first option is Visual Studio IDE, which I already have installed. If you use a different IDE like Rider for example, feel free to uncheck it. Moving on to the Platform Tools section, you can select Android build support if you want to develop for Android devices. There's also iOS, tvOS, Linux, Mac, and WebGL for web games. You don't need to choose everything right now, you can always add more later. For now, I'll just download the Unity editor and press install. This might take a while, so let's go and install Visual Studio. For Visual Studio installation, you'll see something like this. I have this 2022 version installed, so I'll show you on the 2022 preview. Press install, and at the bottom you just have to check the game development with Unity option. From here we don't need Unity Hub because we already installed it. You can also uncheck GitHub Copilot if you don't have it, and then press install. It's going to take a while to download and install. Alright, now that the download is complete, you'll see Unity 2022 listed in your Unity Hub. Let's create a new project. You can change your Unity version from the drop-down if you have multiple versions installed. But since I only have 2022 installed, I'll go with that. Next, you'll choose a template. Unity offers several options, including built-in render pipeline, universal render pipeline, and high-definition render pipeline. The differences between these require a separate video, but for now I'll choose the 3D built-in render pipeline. I'll name the project Test and select a location to save it. You can also check Unity Cloud or Unity version control options if you need them. Finally, click Create Project. Unity will take a moment to create the project, so I speed up the video. And there we have it, our project is ready. Your project layout might look slightly different from mine, but don't worry, it's all customizable. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.